Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Phasmaphobia not launching or it just keeps crashing, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and look for Phasmaphobia under your Steam library. Once you find it, go ahead and right click on it and hit properties and then go over to installed files. Now from installed files, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select the verify integrity of game files. This should fix the issue. Now another solution you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager, and then go ahead and look for where it says display adapters. And once you find display adapters, you want to go ahead and right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now once that is done updating, you guys should be good to go. Another way of updating your drivers is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly, and then make your way over to drivers, and then go ahead and update and install your drivers from here as well. Now once you do all these methods, you guys should be good to go. I also recommend restarting your PC, and that should be it for the video. You can always try lowering like your graphics settings in game. That can also help. And once you guys are done, that should be it for the video, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.